Hello, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And today we're going to be talking about the secrets to mastering e commerce 2026. And basically, most people fail at e commerce because they focus on the wrong things. So, in this video, I'll break down the real secrets to mastering e commerce in 2026 step by step. All right. So first off, sell a solution and not a product. A lot of times people get onto platforms like Shopify looking to sell problems instead of solutions. And the basis of how business runs is a problem requires a solution, and a solution is provided for a problem. So people are having issues buying shoes, or people are having issues getting their custom t-shirts. How do you solve this problem as a business in Shopify or as someone looking to, master e-commerce? Basically, you take out some of the comments, you take inspiration from some of the worst comments on someone else's page, and you look to improve on that. How can you improve on that? You would ask. Let's say you're selling a product on Shopify. One thing you do not want to do is to be left behind when it comes to e-commerce. Being a one horse or one trick pony is something that doesn't sell well in the e-commerce world unless you're a powerhouse, unless you're something like Nvidia that makes graphics cards that do not need to switch up once in a while. But if you're not any of these powerhouses, I would suggest integrating new things into your platform, like the introduction of artificial intelligence. When you simply open up your Shopify, that's once you've logged on to Shopify, you can see that on your editor you can actually include new products. So always try to make sure your products are top of the line. You can check what is trending by using platforms like CJ Dropshipping and AutoDS. So these can be used to actually improve your Shopify store. It can be used to make product research easier. So when it comes to finding the top products, you can actually, get ahead of the competition and still stay relevant. So, like I said, one of the best things you need to one of the best things you need to do is sell a solution and not a product. So, by simply using the simple search, you can find out things that are trending and things that do trend, and include them into your business when it comes to solving problems for people. Now, moving on to this, the next step is product research. So, like I mentioned, by using platforms like AutoDS and CJ Dropshipping, you can actually hold down some of this product researching by using AI product research tools like CJ Dropshipping and AutoDS, as well as TikTok trends. Yes, by using platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube, you can actually find things that are trending, products that are trending, and incorporate them into your business or whatever platform you're selling on, and also the Facebook ad library and Amazon bestsellers. So that's where you need to go. And within the comments of Amazon's bestsellers, you can find complaints by people and see how you can offer a solution. Remember, the basis of running an e-commerce store is to offer a solution. People are hungry, you create a store that sells food, basically. All right, now the next thing is a simple store design actually converts more. So, over designed stores kill sales. So, you do not need a whole lot of things going on your platform at the same time, like all these news and all these different things. You can just have something as simple as this. It's very simple, straight to the point, shows what you can do and how to achieve it and get your things done. So, also make sure you offer a clear goal. Make sure you have a clean layout, strong product images, and a simple checkout. Your checkout should be the easiest. Let people put things into their cart and be able to check out with ease. No confusion, better sales. And also, traffic is everything. So, no traffic means no business. And the best traffic sources, the best places you can place your advertisements are social media. So, take advantage of social media, take advantage of how people actually scroll on social media, the times that people are most likely to look for certain products can be checked out. The time at which you post should be curated. You can use a platform called repurpose.io. It's a simple platform. A simple Google search would get you there. By simply checking out repurpose.io, you can use this platform to repurpose your content for social media. So you can have your content from YouTube taken and shared across to various platforms. You can have your content from TikTok taken and shared across to various platforms as well. And then the like I said, the best traffic sources are social media and also influencer shout outs. So if you're a company that actually has some money, you could pay influencers to shout out to your products. Not really the top influencers, but influencers that have somewhere from 30,000 subscribers to a maximum of a million or more. And also try to pay for ads once you're profitable. So keeping yourself relevant is quite important, and advertisements do just that. All right, so the next thing is to optimize. So try to optimize your platform instead of restarting or starting from scratch. Build with the failures and simply improve your product pages, improve your test prices, change your creatives, and fix your checkout flow. And also, small tweaks equal big profit. All right, guys, and that's how you can dominate the e commerce space. Comment down below if you have any questions. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you.